Hello, welcome everybody. Alright, today I will be sharing with you a very interesting platform that I have actually gotten passive income from, and it's very easy to do. Alright, just to let you know that one of my family members is actually a part-time teacher. So I've actually created an account for this purpose. Alright, and what's very interesting about this platform is that it's very simple to actually get the royalty money, which means that if you have prepared and uploaded the lesson and it has been approved by the system, it will be actually in the app where other students or random students actually will be able to take that particular lesson, and when they complete the lesson, the royalty or the money that will be calculated as your profit or ROI, actually the profit money will be counted, or royalty I would say, will be calculated based on the completion and how many pages that you have actually how many pages the students have actually completed. So it's really so simple, and it's a very interesting platform. Let me show you all about how is it like. Alrighty, let's check out. Okay, let us see this. Alright, as you can see on the left hand side, we have the picture of the profile and everything. Let us check the progress. For example, you can see this is the amount of money that is pending. It's calculated per weekly basis. Alright, and it has to reach at least 20 ringgit to be able to be banked into your bank account. So let's check out the other option on the left. Okay, these are all the published lessons, total lessons, 40 lessons that were prepared and uploaded into the system. Let's go through the lessons that were prepared. These are actually the lessons that were prepared originally by me, alright, and with originality, with the own creativity, and so on and so forth, because as you know, we are not able to copyright, and so on. So creativity is very important, right? Because you don't want to land yourself into issues later on, right? I'm sure of that. So let's see the whole list of lessons right here. Very interesting, because I actually took a lot of time to actually create these lessons, really a lot of effort and time. Okay, let us see one of the lessons right here. Learn English through music or song, which I have prepared. So the description will be here. Learn a simple song about English and know that it's fun. We can use music to get interested about the subject and able to learn. Okay, so this is the title here. Okay, so this lesson has been prepared. English is a beautiful and
too late. Get to learn English. Let us learn now. I want to learn, so much more to learn.
Fun language. We can learn English through music or song. So that was an audio song that I've inserted, and the lyrics: English is fun, never too late. Get to learn English. Let us learn now. Okay, identify the correct one, A, B, C, D. And the explanation, this is for the second page. Alright, and this is the third page. So as you can see, you can actually do quizzes on this platform, which is very interactive for the students, and definitely everybody would love to do quizzes because it tests your brain knowledge, and it's fun. Alright, so let us check out this post. You can actually create a post. For example, this one: it's a great day, let us learn the difference. Example. Alright, so let us check out the toolbar on the left hand side menu to see the royalty projection. This is how much money you will be able to make. So there is actually a projection. For example, if you have 1,000 followers with how many lessons that you have prepared, that is the estimation. How easy our royalty works. It's very simple. Royalty will be based on unique page learned by student or device per day times daily rate. As simple as that. Okay, how we make payment. Royalty will be calculated on weekly basis, Monday to Sunday, minimum 20 ringgit to be eligible for us to pay royalty. If below 20, your royalty will be brought forward to the next week. So let us check the royalty. So this is the total amount that I've actually gotten from my bank for real, okay? This is a true story. You can see all the details over here. These were all payments that I've gotten from the lessons because the students actually took my lessons. And based on the lessons and the pages completed, I actually got this money. Okay, so let's see the inspired lesson. So this is basically just a sample inspired lesson. And it says join us now, right? And so that is that. And you can also see the second video as well if you would like to. This is just a sample of it. And then yes, so it's really simple, it's very engaging, it's very fun. Okay, it takes some time to put in effort and time to create your lessons, but once your lesson is up, then it is going to run in the background 24/7, whether you're sleeping, whether you're awake. Any student who takes your lesson from the app, which I will show you later, that your royalty fee or your money will be calculated as profit. Yay. Okay, so as you can see, these are the notifications, whether your lesson has been approved, whether your lesson requires edit. There will be an editor who is very strict to go through and ensure that it is according to the syllabus, right, of Malaysia. So it has to be compliance with the syllabus. All right, so these are some of the videos, and when you also refer, you can also earn a very small percentage of affiliate. Okay, and it's a very small amount, but basically it is very, very useful for students, and the app itself is very, very very engaging and very fun. All right, so yeah, have fun making this, and I will show you guys probably in the next video or so on, because this is for the creator of the lessons or for the teacher. Okay, if you're a part-time teacher or whatsoever, you can actually create and upload lessons. Make sure that it is according to the syllabus of Malaysia. All right, they're very strict on the syllabus, okay, and they will double check until they approve your lesson to be on board. And once your lesson has been approved and will be in the app, whoever randomly on that app that the student has, which is the OSEM app, they would take that particular subject, they will take it, and you will get your profit. So it is running 24 hours. You can be doing your full-time and earning this part-time passive income at the back. Okay, so you don't need to be like 24 hours here. Once you are done with your lessons, you can upload it, and you're free to go. Okay, whenever whichever timing possible that the student learns that lesson, you will get paid. As simple as that. All right, so this is a very, very good platform, very interesting and interactive for the students, and you get paid as well. So this platform was actually introduced to me by my friend previously, all right, who introduced to me, and I felt it was a very, very, very interesting platform. All right, there's also a separate package whereby there will be more towards promotion and sales of the marketing product. So what happens is that that is another separate packages. Of course, that is marketing or sales related. If you are interested, you can ask me more. But basically, the student, if they are so interested by it, and if they beg their mom, oh mom, I need to get this full, full 1 month or a few months or 6 months, I need it, because the free version of this students platform, you are actually it is free, but if let's say you want to use it at a longer period, there's a restriction, so you have to purchase in packages. So for those people who want to do marketing or earn side income, there's a great opportunity there as well. All right, because they will actually pay upfront. They will probably convince the parents to pay, because they're so interested with the platform. They want to have it like 6 months down the road without any restrictions on the platform, and if the parents want to buy the packages, then you actually earn the certain income, right? So it's a very a win-win situation right there. Very good for the students, very engaging, very interesting. You can put quizzes there, lessons, make it very interactive. There are battles on the platform. Like for example, 2 students will take the same quiz, they will battle it out, and it's very, very engaging. It's like a game in the student platform. So yeah, all right, so we shall see whether the next video I can actually put up to explain on the students platform, which is the OSEM app. And yeah, I hope that you guys would have benefited from this. All right, take care, bye.